How much is a treasure coin worth? Let's check that out. Come over to your profile picture, click on it. Once you click on it, come up here to the three lines, click on that. Then come over to settings and privacy, click on it. Then come right here and click on balance, click on that. So you can see here I have some coins. So right now I want to check how much is worth. So come over here to recharge. You can see right here, if you want to buy a coin, that 70 coins is worth this amount, and 350 coins is worth 2,000. Then if you have 1,500 coins, it's worth over 103,690. Whoa, that's a lot of money in Naira. And how can you get some of these treasure coins? Very simple. Let's go back. All you need to do is come over to follow. Click on this. When you click on follow and you come here and you see 6 live videos, click on that and boom, you can join any of these lives. Let's click this one right here. So come here and click on the treasure box right here on the left hand screen. Once you click on it, you see this. So right here it says 16 people can collect the coin. Even the sender has a chance to collect. So we're just gonna wait for it to reach 0. Once it gets to 0, we'll be able to collect the coins. But if we're not fast enough, it's gonna tell us it's empty because other people have collected it. And this is what I've been trying to do. I've been going to people's live chat, trying to collect treasure coins and trying to see how can I collect the money, change it into real money. That's another day's tutorial. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more. Seriously, you just have to do that if you want more information like this. It's not over yet. I'm going to show you if I collected this coin or not. So keep watching. Oh, I didn't get it. Look at the box is empty. I didn't get it, so I'm gonna stay here and try to collect as much treasure box I can collect. Because you see here, these are all the people that got the treasure right here. So if you did not get any treasure coin, if you look down, you say view details. If you click that, you'll be able to see the people who got the treasure. And this is it right here. These are all the lucky viewers. So I'm just gonna stay here and keep on doing this till I make $1 million from it. So goodbye. Like me,